She started hearing footsteps above her room every night at the same time. 2:33 a.m. The ceiling would creak slowly, like someone pacing. The weird part? She lived in a single-story house. One night she got fed up and yelled, "Who's up there?" The footsteps stopped. Dead silence. Then a knock came from under her bed. Frozen, she leaned over slowly, phone light shaking in her hand. Scratched into the floorboards beneath her was a message. "Wrong direction. Follow for more."